Do you think your crypto is safe on just any wallet? You want to see how this one takes security to the next level. And please do remember, folks, before investing or using any cryptocurrency or financial products that we do talk about on this channel, always do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor and these videos are not financial advice. In today's video, folks, we are talking about none other than the Phantom wallet. So it's essentially primarily a Solana-based wallet, but also has complete and full support for Ethereum blockchain as well. Now, I can personally vouch and say this is actually my favorite wallet to use for Solana and one of my favorites for Ethereum, simply because it's so easy to use, it's extremely secure, and just the user interface is so simple, and it just really enables you to keep everything in one place for easy crypto management. The thing about the simplicity is that you're not actually sacrificing any safety for that simplicity, whereas with a lot of other wallets, non-custodial wallets, you would actually be sacrificing that safety. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get YTRanker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito here on Google Chrome to ensure there is no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search, we need to click on the settings, the three dots here. Make sure the language is in English and that the location is set to the United States. Once United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and go for our first search and type in BotSol. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video right here by BizCheck is actually a video that YTRanker was able to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Leads Sniper, and have a look, and bang, again, top digital products, this video here, and also again, BizCheck, BotSol versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So what are you waiting for? Get YTRanker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. The Phantom non-custodial wallet uses private key management, all right? So it's non-custodial and is able to keep your keys secure. You're essentially responsible for keeping your funds safe. When you do go ahead and create a Phantom wallet there, you essentially will have to write down your private words like you may have done before with a MetaMask wallet. It's the same thing, but actually quite a bit simpler and easier in my opinion. You write that down on some paper. I would recommend keep that safe, several copies, and don't ever show anyone and don't ever input it on any website. Also, maybe one of my favorite features about Phantom is its new inbuilt phishing technology, anti-phishing technology, meaning that when you're browsing dApps using the Phantom wallet, it is able to try and protect you from phishing attacks. Okay, so from other like exploits or scam projects. Now, folks, do remember, if you do want to go ahead and download the Phantom wallet, it's free. It's the link to get set up will be in the description of this video and also in the pinned comments. So, folks, what are you waiting for? Start taking your crypto security safely. Get over to Phantom. You can use their security. Use their non-custodial wallet. It's an absolute banger. Again, I can vouch for it. I love it. I've been using it for a long time. If you did enjoy this video, please do like the video, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome crypto content from us. Take care.